It's Christmas at Cooksongold, the season for gifting inspiration, new tools, and a little extra sparkle in every workshop. Whether you're just starting your jewellery journey or shopping for someone who loves making jewellery, we've got something special. Meet our Bench Essentials range, an affordable tool range designed to support everyday jewellery making. From reliable pliers to practical forming tools, Bench Essentials offers quality, comfort, and value, making it ideal for beginners and seasoned jewellers alike. At Cooksongold, we've spent over 100 years supporting jewellers with trusted materials, tools, and services. As a leading supplier, we're proud to help makers achieve accuracy, efficiency, and confidence in their work, no matter their level of experience. And this Christmas, our Bench Essential Pliers make the perfect stocking filler. Each pair is designed for comfort, precision, and everyday reliability. Our flush side cutters are ideal for trimming fine wire and cutting wire ends smoothly and neatly, avoiding uneven edges. Our pliers are great for gripping, holding, and manipulating wire or small components firmly, ideal when you need accuracy and control. So if you're looking for a thoughtful, useful gift this Christmas or building up your own toolkit, explore the Bench Essential range at Cooksongold. Visit cooksongold.com and unwrap your next set of essential tools today.